Understanding the phrase, run the full gamut. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting and vivid phrase, run the full gamut. This phrase is a gem in English language, packed with meaning and imagery. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you incorporate it into your own English speaking and writing. Run the full gamut refers to experiencing, displaying, or encompassing a wide range or entire spectrum of something. Originally from music theory, the term gamut signified the complete scale of notes. Today, it's used more broadly to describe the full scope or range of anything, from emotions to colors. The term gamut has its roots in medieval music. It was used to describe the entire range of musical notes available in the system at the time. This musical connection gives the phrase, run the full gamut, a rich historical backdrop, highlighting its evolution from a specific technical term to a widely applicable expression. Using run the full gamut in conversation or writing adds depth and vividness. It's perfect for situations where you want to emphasize the extensive variety or complete range of something. Here are some examples. Her emotions ran the full gamut from joy to despair during the movie. The festival's performances ran the full gamut of artistic expression, from classical music to modern dance. To remember, run the full gamut. Think of a scenario where you experience a broad spectrum of something, like emotions during a gripping film or the variety of colors in a sunset. Associating the phrase with personal experiences can help it stick in your memory. We hope this exploration of run the full gamut enriches your understanding and use of English. This phrase not only adds color to your language but also connects you to a piece of linguistic history. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll find the perfect moments to incorporate run the full gamut into your conversations and writing. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.